Hey, what's up guys? My guitar is back with another episode of lesson for today. Okay guys, so for today's video I'm going to show you some simple ways you can revise over chord changes, some ways and some harmonic notes or licks you can revise over chord changes over your worship section that's going to sound better and sounds good. Okay, as a beginner you need to learn this. As a beginner you need to start practicing stuff like this. It's going to help you. Okay, so I'm not going to waste much of the time, guys. But if you know that it's the first time watching my video, I would like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay? Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss that anytime I upload a new video like this, okay? And if you like the video, you can hit the like button, okay? If you have any challenges, you can drop it on the comment section. I'm going to reply you as soon as possible. Please, guys, if you know that you want to watch, if you know that you want to enroll my personal WhatsApp class, okay? Just chat me up on the number on the screen there. I will give you the reply. I will reply you as soon as possible. Okay, guys. Without wasting much of the time, let's go straight into the video right away. Okay, guys. So I'm going to do the lesson in the key of C. This is the key of C. That's the key of C. So I want you to start learning simple chords like the word chord, your 6th chord, your 4th chord. I'm playing a C star too. Go to my G major, go to my A minor chord, to my F major chord. I know many of you are familiar with chords like that. Many of you are familiar with the 1, 5, 6, 4 chord progression. Yeah, it's an awesome chord that sounds better and give good harmonizing tone. Okay, so I make a video on the source chord in case you don't know how to hold your source chord. Source chord have been an awesome chord for worship section. Okay, you know, most time there are songs that could enter chord progressions like that. There are songs that could enter song progression like that, though I might not really get the song right now right away. So I believe if you're opportunity to go into, or if you're opportunity to, or if you're privileged to have chord progressions like that on a song or your worship section, in your jazz section, or in your any other section, okay, or even if it's in a praise section, okay, it can go well. Okay, how you can improvise over the chord changes like that is that you can play something. Okay, you can play stuff like you go to your one saw chord, la chord, go to your back. Okay, now this is what I'm playing. I'm playing on this shape now. Okay, on this C shape. I play the do so and the re la. Okay. Then I hold the 2 notes there, the so and the do, and strike it. Okay, strike it. Okay, slide to the re and the la. Then I hold my do chord. Okay. Now holding the saw and the T Sol, T. Now going to the Sol chord. Go to the Sol. Then I come to my Re and Va on the second string and the third string. I slide to the Re, Mi, okay. Now this will be your Mi, okay, and Sol, okay. Va, La, Re, Va, Mi, Sol, okay. I hold the Do and the Mi, okay. That's going to my La chord. I hold my La chord. Then I play Sol, La, Do, Sol, La. Okay, now Sol, La, Do, Sol, La, Do, Sol, La. Now I'm going to my Va chord, which is the G major. Sorry, which is the F major chord, F major bar chord. Okay, so I play again. La. Okay, so stuff like that gonna sound better if you can improvise over it. But most time, if you can improvise it over the chord changes at once, you can maybe have a keyboardist playing the chord over. You can just be playing. The keyboardist playing the chord. Okay, stuff like that. It's gonna sound better. It's gonna sound cool. So in my next lesson, I'm going to show you how to play some feelings and improvisations and riffs over the worship songs. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. If you like the video, smash the like button. If you have any challenges, write it on the comment section. I'm going to give you a reply as soon as possible. All right, thanks guys for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.